Tip number 3, deliver authentic value. The key to video marketing is delivering authentic value to your audience. First and foremost, be authentic in your videos. Don't try to put on a front or be someone you're not. If you want to stand out in the crowd, be yourself. You have something unique to offer the world, experiences and insights that no one else has. Gary Vaynerchuk is an excellent example of creating videos with authenticity. He's not an especially polished or refined sounding guy. His videos have a fair amount of profanity in them. He talks like he's chatting with a good friend. Everything feels very informal and down to earth. And yet millions of people watch Gary's videos because he delivers a ton of authentic value in each one. So, be yourself when you record your videos. If you love to laugh, include some jokes. If you're passionate about the subject, let that come through. If something makes you upset, make that evident. However, authenticity isn't enough. It's also important to deliver a high amount of value in your videos. You need to educate or entertain, or both, through the videos you produce. How can you be sure that you're delivering value? Answer commonly asked questions. Address audience pain points. Teach your audience how to do something. Give expert advice or insight. Provide aha moments. Your goal is not primarily to make more sales. Your goal is to give something valuable to the person who watches your videos, to help them achieve their goals and fulfill their desires. The more value you add to your audience, the more you'll become known as an expert in your field. Others will look to you to help them solve their problems. Your brand will grow, and you'll attract those whom you are best positioned to help. These things will ultimately lead to more sales and revenue. The goal of delivering authentic value will inform the topics of your videos. Many people struggle with knowing what to talk about in their videos. But really, it doesn't need to be very complicated. Simply ask yourself these questions. What is my audience struggling with? What do they need to know? What important questions are they asking? What problems are they trying to solve? What one thing would make a difference in their lives? Your videos don't need to be long or complex. Answer one question, solve one problem, or teach the audience one thing. The more you narrow your focus when choosing a topic, the easier it will be to make the video. If you're still struggling with what topics to cover, consider past content you've created that has resonated well with your audience. Have you written any blog posts that have gotten a lot of traffic or posted something on social media that has gotten a ton of comments? All of these things are indicators of what subjects resonate most with your audience. The good news is that the more you make videos, the more you'll come to understand what's important to your audience. This, in turn, will guide you as you produce future videos. Stay tuned for more helpful videos covering marketing, social media and other business tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like, comment and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.